Today, we're transforming this adorable cat photo into a dramatic black and white masterpiece using only the Camera Raw interface. Let's get started. First, I'll use the auto light adjustments and then convert the image to black and white. I'll set the white balance to auto, which can bring out some details in the photo. Now let's adjust the black and white mixer. To achieve a more dramatic look, I'll decrease the oranges and yellows, as they are dominant colors in the photo. Once we're done with the mixer, we'll go back and fine-tune the lights again. Next, I'll adjust the curve to create a faded, dark effect while maintaining contrast. Moving to the mask panel, we'll brighten specific details in the photo. I'll use the brush to paint over areas that need more light. Setting the old light settings to default before making adjustments. I'll slightly increase the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and whites, while decreasing the blacks to refine the mask. Then, I'll create a linear gradient to darken the right side and adjust the mask's lights to decrease the brightness. We can adjust the global lights for a more dramatic effect. Possibly tweaking the curve slightly. I'll increase the texture and clarity in the effects panel. Lastly, I'll use a radial gradient mask to brighten the cat's face. Add more depth of field with the lens blur effect by adjusting the focal range. If you're still here, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, as it encourages me to upload more videos. Here's our final result, and as always, may we meet again.